Welcome to GK English. Become a great general knowledge in English. Please like, share, and subscribe. GK English. Become a great. First question: which is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer D. Ganga's river dolphin. Who gave the slogan Inquilab Zindabad? Answer is D. Bhagat Singh. Which of the following is a hardest element? The correct answer is B. Diamond. The fourth question: who appoints the governor of a state in India? Answer D. President of India. Where did the East India Company open its first factory in India? The answer is A. Surat. The sixth question: what is the term of office of the chairman and members of the National Human Rights Commission? Correct answer: 5 years or 70 years of age. Who has the power to declare a financial emergency in India? The correct answer is B. President of India. What was the earlier name of Abdul Kalam Island located off the coast of Odisha? The correct answer is B. Wheeler Island. Was India's first nuclear power house established? Tarapur. Which animal was first domesticated by man? D. Dog. When did America buy Alaska from Russia? Answer B. In 1867. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? The correct answer is D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The next question: when is Army Day celebrated in India? The correct answer is A. 15th January. National Air Force Day is celebrated every year. Answer 8 October. The right to education in India is a D. Fundamental rights. D option. After which war did Emperor Ashoka convert to Buddhism? A. Kalinga War. Routpa atomic power plant is located in which state? A. Rajasthan. The first Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award was given to whom? The correct answer is D. Vishwanath Anand. Who scored the first double century in the history of ODI cricket? C option Sachin Tendulkar. In which state is the Pandipur sanctuary located? B option Karnataka. What is the capital city of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? The correct answer is D. Port Blair. What is the full form of ATM? The correct answer is B option, automated teller machine. Which of the following is not a feature of a federal system of government? C option, supremacy of the central government. Which of the following books written by Indira Gandhi? Correct answer is B option, My Truth. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? The correct answer is a C. M.S. Swaminathan. Which of the following Indian state has English as its official language? The correct answer is A. Nagaland. What is the expanded form of LAN? LAN. Option A. Local area network. Where was Lord Mahavir Jain born? A. Vaisali. Which tree gives the most oxygen? The correct answer is A option, B. Paul. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? The correct answer D option, Article 14 to 18. Become a great. Thank you for watching GK English. Please subscribe, like, share and subscribe GK English.